Hi friends, are you looking for a shortcut trick with which you can solve at least 80% of the questions from the topic, sequences and series in just 60 seconds with 100% accuracy? So here we go. In this Magic 06, I am going to reveal the secret behind the power of substitution. Hello friends, are you looking for the shortcut trick with which you can solve at least 80% of the questions from the topic, sequences and series in just 60 seconds with 100% accuracy? Yes, so here we go. In this Magic 06, I am going to reveal the secret behind the power of substitution. So what is this power of substitution? Let's get started. So this question I have taken from the 2019 second part NDA, very recent question paper. Question number 8. A geometrical progression consists of 200 terms. Okay, if the sum of odd terms of the GP is m and the sum of even terms of GP is n, then what is the common ratio? And these are the four options. नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट, रेगुलर स्टूडेंट क्या करेगा भाई? वो बहुत सारे कंसेप्ट यूज़ करेगा, फॉर्मूलीज यूज़ करेगा एंड ही विल ट्राई टू गेट द करेक्ट आंसर, जिसमें आपका बहुत सारा टाइम जाने वाला है. मिनिमम यू हैव टू गिव 3 to 4 minutes and at the end you may not get the correct answer. Then what is the power of substitution says? See here, GP पूछा है. So let's take one simple GP. 1, 2, 4 and 8. So this is a GP in which the ratio R is 2. What they have asked, अभी 200 terms पूछा है, so don't go for the 200 terms. Okay, these 4 terms are more than sufficient. Now see, if the sum of odd terms of the GP is m, odd terms कौन कौन है? Okay, so it is T1, T2, T3 and T4. Okay, so this 1 and 4 are the odd place terms. Okay, so what is the addition of these two is 5. Okay, and the sum of the even terms, the sum of the even terms of a GP is n, sum of the even terms. Now these two are the even terms. Okay, what is the addition of these two? 8 plus 2 is 10. Okay, so this is m and this is n. Then what is the common ratio? अभी r पूछा है. Then what is the common ratio? We know in this GP the common ratio is r, which is equals to 2. Then how you get 2 using these two? It is nothing but 10 by 5. If I do, I get 2, which is nothing but n by m. That's it. So what is your correct option? Sir, option B is my correct. यस, कितना टाइम लगा समझाने में? मुझे 60 सेकंड्स भी नहीं लगे. ठीक है, सो ट्रस्ट मी, इफ यू सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन with this trick you can solve within 30 seconds. Yes, okay, let's check the other question. This question I have taken from the 2019 first part. What is the nth term in the sequence? ये बड़ा सीक्वेंस दिया है, अभी n टर्म पूछा है. सो जनरली स्टूडेंट्स गो फॉर द फॉर्मूलाज. नहीं, हम लोग ऐसा नहीं चाहना है. ठीक है, सो व्हाट विल डू, nth टर्म पूछा है. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट टर्म, this is the first term. It is T1, it is T2 and it is T3 and it is T4. Okay, now power of substitution. What power of substitution says? If I substitute in any one of these 1, I should get 25. I should get 25. If I substitute n is equals to 1, I should get 25. nth term पूछा है ना. So if I substitute 1 in this option number A, I should get 1. Then only this is correct option. Okay, so let's check. So let's substitute n is equals to 1 in this first option. So it is minus 5 raised to power 2 minus 1, which is equals to minus 5 raised to power 1. So is it giving me 25? No. So this option is wrong. Next, minus 1 to the power 2, n is 1, and 5 raised to power 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is giving me 1 minus 1 raised to power 2 is nothing but 1, and it is 25. Yes, this may be my correct answer, but please make sure that you are checking all the options. Okay, let's try for the third option. So minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1. See, minus 1 to the power 2 minus 1 itself is getting a negative value, but I want a positive value. So this is definitely going to be wrong option. This is what minus 1 r into 25 you will get, which is wrong. I don't want negative value, I want positive value. Okay, so the last option is what? Minus 1 to the power 1, n is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, and 5 raised to power 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, which is nothing but minus 1 to the power 0 is 1 into 25. Okay, means what? Now I have the confusion between B and D. Okay, definitely A भी नहीं है और C भी नहीं है. Answer is sure shot in between B and D. Now how to verify again? Now if you substitute n is equals to 2, you should get minus 125. If you substitute n is equals to 2, you should get minus 125 is your answer. So first check in the option number. First check option B. Okay, अभी again no need to worry for the option A and C, वो तो ऐसे ही कट गए. ठीक है, अभी ऑप्शन B में just try to substitute 2. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4, and 5 raised to power 2 plus 1 is 3. If you see, minus 1 to the power 4 is what? It is a positive number. It is positive number. But what we want? I want a negative. So definitely ये भी नहीं है मेरा आंसर. So what is the answer is? So answer is what? D. Getting? So this is what? The power of substitution. समझाने में भाई इतना टाइम लग रहा है कि if you do on your own, it will take hardly 60 seconds. From the 2018 26th question. Okay, if the TR be the rth term of an AP. Okay, AP बोला है for the R from 1 to 3 dot dot. If sum for distinct positive integer m and n, we have Tm is equals to 1 by n and a Tn is equals to 1 by m. Then what is Tmn? So let's consider the m and n values. Suppose m is equals to 1 and n is equals to 2. So what will be Tm? Using this concept they have given Tm is 1 by n, so it is 1 by 2. Okay, so Tm means what? It is T1. So ये हो गया मेरा T1. Tn is what? It is 1 by m बोला है. So 1 by m is nothing but 1 only. This is nothing but my T2. Now what they are asking is what is Tmn? Tmn means what? Tmn means what? It is T1 into n value is 2, which is nothing but T2. So what is value of T2 they are asking? भाई T2 तो आपने निकाला है ना इधर. T2 is nothing but 1. Yes, that is. So check which option is giving me 1. ये option है 1. So let's take m is what? 1, n is 2. So it is nothing but 2 raised to minus 1 is the option, which is wrong. M is it is 1 plus 2 inverse, which is also wrong. ये क्या? Okay, ये 0 तो नहीं है. So what is correct answer? So correct answer is C. No need to use formula. Okay, just use the substitution method. Let's move to the last question, 2018 first part. If the ratio of AM to GM of two positive integers A and B is 5:3, then A and B is what? A and B equal to पूछा है, means what? These are the possible values of A and B. So this is A and this is B. Okay, अभी ये जो दिया है ना, ये AM and GM है. Now check which option is giving me AM and GM in the ratio 5:3. You have two numbers A and B. So what is AM and GM for this value? इसका AM आएगा और GM कितना आएगा? Let's check. What is AM of these two? 5, 3 is 8. 8 by 2 is 4. So AM is going to be 4. But what I want is I want 5. So definitely this is wrong option. 2 and 9. AM कितना है इसका? It is 11 by 2. Definitely it is again going to be wrong. What I want? I want AM to be 5. Okay. What is this option? 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. Yes, ये हो सकता है भाई ऑप्शन. ठीक है, 5. एंड gm कितना है, व्हाट इज gm इज gm ऑफ टू नंबर्स इज रूट ऑफ a इंटू बी, रूट ऑफ, सो इट इज रूट ऑफ 9 इंटू 1 इज 9 विच इज नथिंग बट 3. अरे मिल गया ना भाई, am 5 है और gm कितना है 3 है. ओके, लेट्स कंसिडर अगेन दिस फोर्थ ऑप्शन. ये हो सकता है ना, ये हो सकता है अपना ऑप्शन. सो फोर्थ ऑप्शन क्या होगा, 5 + 3 is 8, 8 by 2 is 4. Yes, definitely it is not answer. So what is your correct answer is C, option C is your correct answer. Okay, so I hope you like this video. If you like this power of substitution, तो बता दो भाई कितना टाइम लगता है लाइक करने में, 1-2 सेकंड लगता है, so that it will be motivation for me to create more such tricks and tips for you people. Okay, share करो with your friends, कमेंट करो कैसा लगा आपको ये वीडियो. ओके, एंड प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू माई चैनल सो दैट यू वोंट मिस एनी अपकमिंग वीडियोस. थैंक यू.